Hi, this is Olivier and welcome. Today we will practice resting our attention on our breathing. By doing so, we can prevent our mind from drifting into the past or drifting into the future, which often can create some anxiety. So using the breath as an anchor to stay connected with the present moment is a simple yet powerful tool. It can allow us to generate a sense of stability, but also a sense of peace and freedom. So let us begin. First, let us find a comfortable position where you can feel both alert and relaxed. You can take a moment to relax your neck and your shoulders, your arms and your legs. And when you feel ready, you can gently close your eyes. For the next few breaths, notice where you feel the sensation of breathing the most clearly in your body. For some, that can be at the tip of their nose, where they can feel the air coming in and out of their body. And for others, it can be the rising and falling of their belly. So wherever you feel the sensation of breathing the most vividly, gently rest your attention there and observe each breath, in the in-breath and the out-breath. In and out. You can think of the breath as a refuge for your mind. We spend a lot of time worrying about the future, for example. But when we rest our attention on our breathing, when we observe it, we stop this type of thinking and we truly give our mind and ourself a rest. And when we stop our thinking, we can touch inner peace and freedom, freedom from our thoughts. When you start noticing that your mind drifted away from your breath, notice where your mind went, in the past or the future, and gently bring your mind back to your breathing. The goal here is not to stop thoughts from your experience, but rather to notice your experience. So breathing happens, and at some point, thought happens, and that's okay. It is the function of the mind to produce thoughts. This is what the mind does. It is natural. So no need to be upset or judgmental about your experience. Recognize that your mind drifted away and come back to your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. There is nowhere to go and nothing to do at this point, simply observing our breath. And again, if your mind drifted away from your breath, gently recognize your experience and come back to your breathing. You can think of thoughts as the clouds in the sky. They come, they stay, and they leave. And the problem that we have with thoughts is that we tend to cling on to them. We tend to be carried away by them and believe our thoughts. But here we practice noticing them when they come and letting them go and coming back to our anchor. Breathing in and breathing out. And see if you can rest your attention on your breath without any effort, as naturally and gently as possible. This may not feel easy at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Before we end this practice, let us recognize our wholesome effort to calm our mind and remember that not only you will benefit from this practice, but also the people around you will benefit from your calm and gentle presence. So thank you for your practice.